Hello guys, today I have got the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5 and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable ANC and transparency mode via gestures in your earbuds. So, at first you need to scroll down a little bit in your application, and actually here in the gesture control section in the pigeonhole you can see this gesture. Pigeonhole and hold left but noise control. As you can see, this is wait a moment. This is this place actually. Over this is not this bud, okay. Over here, you need to pigeonhole this place when you have your earbuds inside. Then you'll switch between awareness mode, noise cancellation, which is of course ANC. This is awareness is transparency mode, and of course disabled both ANC and transparency. That's how to do it. Goodbye.